Hello everyone, this is a small network design which I made for my assignment. In this assignment we are given now to make a network design for our enterprise having two different buildings. So let's hop on to the building 1 and see. As you can see guys, the network in this design is I made a 3-layer hierarchical model. And as you can see, the core layer are the routers, these two switches are the distribution layer, and inside the building inside the cluster there are one more switch which is the access layer. So let's see, these are all the different departments. Now as you can see, and this access layer switch we have given an SSS. Let's try to check if we can access it or not from IT department. Let's try. Now let's password is Cisco enable. Yes. Yeah, as you can see, we can access from SSH. Now moving on to the next. These are the manager department. As you can see, the customer manager is of this PC, and for only the customer department can communicate with the customer manager. As you can see, our customer department is in building number 2, and let's check an IP for this. It's 34.4. Let's try to communicate 34.4. Ping let's first. Yeah, as you can see, we get the reply. Now let's try for another department. Let's go for human resources. Let's try if we can ping it or not. It's 37.2. Let's try it. As you can see, the host is unreachable. Now moving on to next, I want to show you that I want to show you our netting. This is the ISP which I have built, and let's enable it and let's try debug IP ICMP. Now I'll show you how my netting works. Now let's try and send a packet from customer PC to the ISP. As you can see, the source is this, which is the ISP, and the destination is given by another IP, is public IP. It shows that our netting is successful. Now another thing which I want to show you is our IP phone. As you can see, this is the IP phone which I made. This is for the reception area, and this is for the meeting room. So for the reception, let's try to communicate it. As you can see, this is building 1 reception, the number is 101. Let's try to communicate it. Building 2 reception 102. 1002. Let's try. It's ringing out. Let's go. Yeah, see, you can see the red and it's connected. So we can see that the IP phone are also working. Now let's go and let's check our building 2, and here's the building 2, and as you can see, all the IPs are given from DHCP. And if you want to see DHCP services in the building servers, here's the DHCP server services DHCP. You can see all the different pools I have made. Also for the web servers, now if you guys are thinking about as the email server, which I'll show you in a moment, and here's the DNS server, also web server. And let's try from ourselves. Let's go and run a website. I've created a website called cisco.com. Let's see if it communicates or not. Yeah, as you can see, it shows our welcome to the Cisco packet tracer. And if you want to see how where I made the web server, now I'll show you. the web server, and it's your HTTP server. As I and from DNS I give the name Cisco. Okay, then now I'll show you an email server. Here's the server, and here's inside the server I've given both FTP, which is known as Cisco, as well as email, and I am Sita customer sales. Now I'll show you I'll show you the communication between how you can email. Here's the email. See, I have already sent receive and send an email. As you can see, this email was from sales at the rate, and saying that which replied me to wait for 1 week. Now if you see the sales email area, it comes in niche groups, and if I'll tell you how to configure, we can write any name here, and since we made a service sales@gmail.com, it's the email address. This is the IP of the email service, and this is the username which we created for in the email services. Now if you want to see our FTP, as you can see, we have enabled FTP from the FTP in the same email services. FTP, which the name is Cisco. Rewriting the name, we can do anything. Now let's try and access the FTP. 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 Wait 2 minutes. 100. Now let's try it now. Yeah, and now you can see that we have entered the FTP. Username was Cisco, and the password we created was also Cisco. Now see, now we can do in dir. We can see, we can move anything, we can copy. This is the use of FTP. Now let's just leave it. As you can see, guys, this is my network design for 3-layer hierarchical model network design for enterprises having 2 buildings. Now for the last part, I want to show you guys on the physical view of the building. This is the enterprises, and here's the 2 building, building 1 and building 2. The physical view of building 1 is like this, and this is our service room, and the physical view of the building 2 is like this, where I make the network room this side. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and hope you all guys like it.